kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, in this video series I will be teaching you on how we can create a family GPS tracker app using the Kotlin language and the Firebase in Android Studio. Alright guys, so this app will be a bigger app and I will be creating multiple parts of this video series. So you just have to follow me and we will create the app from scratch. Alright, so basically this is the first part and the introductory part, and in this video I will only be showing you the demo and what we are going to develop. Alright, so first of all we will open the app, and here you guys can see we will create the same to same app with all the same layouts and the graphics. Alright, so here you guys can see it is asking me for the device location, GPS location permission. So here I will click on that, and it is also asking me for the notifications, and I will click on allow. So guys, you can see that we have a home screen like this, and here inside that if we want to log in, so we are able to log in it. But if we want to click on sign up, so basically we will click on the sign up, and here you guys can see it is asking me for the full name, email, password and the country. So here I will write my full name, let's say testing, and I write my email as testing@gmail.com, and I set my password as 6 times 0, and I set my country as Pakistan. Alright, and I will click on next, and there you guys can see it has generated an invite code here, and above that we can upload our image. So if I just click on complete registration, so you guys can see it is saying please select a profile image. So here I will select a profile image, and suppose that I have an image, let me see. Okay, so you guys can see I can also crop it, and if I click this, and you guys can see that now my picture is ready to be uploaded to the Firebase. So here if I will click on the complete registration, so you guys can see that user registered successfully, and right now it is asking me for switching on the GPS, as my GPS is switched off. Here you guys can see I have my GPS switched off, so I will click on turn on, and it will show me my current location. Alright, so it is now showing my current location here, and here you guys can see I am having here, and we have a couple of tabs here. So this is the home tab, and then we have the join tab, and in here we are able to see a circle code, and here we can enter a circle code to join a friend circle. Alright, and then we have a my circle here, and it is empty, and then we have right at the top right side of this as the setting tab, and here we have privacy policy, share if we want to share the app, and we have the logout. Alright, so if I enter my friend circle code, and if I click on join circle, so you guys can see invalid circle code entered. So after the user entered the correct circle code of his friend, then both of these will be able to see their location on the Google map, and here they will appear. Alright guys, so I hope that you have an idea about what we are going to develop in our next parts of this video series. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me, and just you have to follow me, and we will create the app together. Alright guys, so it's done. So guys, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.